Talking about the ladies of the Queen School. Will it be detention or will it be on a road?
What we like most about our school is the mere fact that the students are the center of attention, and we always succeed both academically and in extracurricular activities, and our teachers are very patient and understanding.
It is hard to separate the teacher from the students. Ready to performance, but Queen School talk of the things carry on.
Very entertaining. Teacher has nice choreography, good energy. Now Queens, every week you come, you get better. Now here's the thing that I have to add to your performance, transitions. And by that I mean how you get into your list and how you move from one movement to the other. Don't take extra steps. But it's a 9.
Highest so far, Orville.
Them say rock and roll. Me say rock and roll. Them say rock and roll costume. Me say rock and roll costume. Them say exciting movement. Me say exciting movement. You don't know. Queens. Dancers!
Well, there we go. The highest score for the night. One short of the perfect score. Ever deserves awards. So to think, how did they perform to you? Votes are called with the top of the caller text the number 2 to 4444280 or then not. We'll come back next week.
So remember, 4 lines are open from now until Friday 12 noon. The judges' scores are locked in for the schools.
So you know, class is dismissed for this week. But when we get back, our worries in other communities because they're part in there. For those children, get ready for pick the tree, pick the tree, pick the tree, pick the tree.
One, two, 3.
hats off. Nice choreography.
Dave, just like Dave.
Every week you come, you get better. Now, here's the thing that I have to add to your performance, transitions. And by that I mean how you get into your list and how you move from one movement to the other. Don't take extra steps.
Oh, God.
But it's a 9.